Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all. Enjoy the class on accounting concept. The topic are historical development of accounting, definition of accounting, the accounting process, historical development of accounting. In the history of modern accounting, spanning over 500 years, no single person had dominated accounting idea as Luca Pacioli did. Born in 1445 at Borgo San Sepolcro near Florence city in Italy, Luca Pacioli started his career as a teacher of mathematics in the University of Perugia. Probably this exposure to business world in early life prepared the background for his famous books or work. Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proportionate Proportionalita. Everything about arithmetic, geometry, and proportion, which was published from Venice in 1494. A section of the book entitled De Computis et Characteris contained discussion on double entry bookkeeping. From this bookkeeping today in modern accounting. এখান থেকে আমরা জানতে পারি যে অ্যাকাউন্টিং এর জনককে লুকা প্যাসিওলি। তার জন্ম 1445 খ্রিস্টাব্দে বর্গো সান সেপোলিরা নিয়ার ফ্লোরেন্স সিটি ইন ইটালি, ইটালিতে তার জন্ম। তার প্রফেশন ছিল টিচার। সে প্রথমে ইউনিভার্সিটি অফ পুরুগিয়াতে ম্যাথমেটিক্সের টিচার হিসেবে সে কেরিয়ার গঠন করেন। তার ফেমাস বুকস নাম হচ্ছে সোমা দি অ্যারিথমেটিকা, জিওমেট্রিয়া, প্রপোর্শনিয়েট প্রপোর্শনলিটা। এই বইটা পাবলিশড হয় 1494 খ্রিস্টাব্দে এবং এই বইয়ে একটা সেকশন ছিল ডাবল এন্ট্রি বুককিপিং। আর এই ডাবল এন্ট্রি বুককিপিং এর উপর ভিত্তি করেই আজকের এই মডার্ন অ্যাকাউন্টিং। Definition of accounting. How we can define accounting or what is accounting? Accounting is a system that identifies, records, communicates information that is relevant, reliable, and comparable to help user make better decision. So, accounting is a system that identify means economic event that changes financial position of a business organization. Then record in the books, that means journal, ledger, trial balance, and preparation financial statement. Financial statement means income statement, owner's equity statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. And this information communicates to the interested users for making better decision. But here, communicate information that is have to three qualities. Number one, reliable and comparable. Then the user will take better decision from this information, and this system is called accounting. The accounting process, basically three steps of accounting. Number one, first, identification. First, business organization identify the economic event that changes financial position of this business organization, also called transaction. Then this transaction recording. Here recording means journal, ledger and trial balance. Then prepare the accounting report. Here accounting report means income statement, owner's equity statement, cash flow statement and balance sheet. And this report communicates to the interested users for analysis and interpretation for the user to make better decision. This is the process of accounting.